Top 20 SQL interview questions in healthcare. Question 1. What is a common SQL query to find the number of patients per department in healthcare? The correct answer is select department. Count of patient _id from patients group by department. Counts patients grouped by department in healthcare database. Question 2. How can you find the average age of patients from a healthcare database? The correct answer is select AVG of age from patients. Calculates the average age from the patient records. Question 3. What SQL query lists all patients who were admitted in the last month? The correct answer is select * from patients where admission _date is greater than date _sub of CURDATE, interval 1 month. Fetches patients admitted within the last 30 days. Question 4. How to find the total number of hospital visits by a specific patient? The correct answer is select count of * from visits where patient _id equals XX. Counts total visits for a specific patient. Question 5. How do you calculate the total cost of healthcare services for each department? The correct answer is select department. Sum of cost from services group by department. Calculates total service cost grouped by department. Question 6. How would you identify patients who have not visited in over 6 months? The correct answer is select * from patients where last _visit is less than date _sub of CURDATE, interval 6 month. Fetches patients with no visits in the last 6 months. Question 7. Write a SQL query to join patient records with their prescribed medications. The correct answer is select p.patient _id, p.name, m.medication from patients p join medications m on p.patient _id equals m.patient _id. Joins patient records and their prescribed medications. Question 8. What query would give you all surgeries performed in a specific department? The correct answer is select * from surgeries where department equals XX. Lists surgeries performed in the given department. Question 9. How can you find all patients who have a specific diagnosis code? The correct answer is select * from patients where diagnosis _code equals XX. Fetches patients with a specific diagnosis code. Question 10. What query shows the number of employees per department? The correct answer is select department. Count of employee _id from employees group by department. Counts employees grouped by their department. Question 11. How do you find the most common diagnosis for a hospital? The correct answer is select diagnosis _code. Count of * from diagnoses group by diagnosis _code order by count of * descending limit 1. Identifies the most frequent diagnosis based on records. Question 12. What SQL query lists patients with overdue follow-up appointments? The correct answer is select * from appointments where follow _up date is less than cur date and status equals overdue. Finds patients with overdue follow-up appointments. Question 13. How do you find the average wait time for patients in the ER? The correct answer is select AVG of wait _time from visits. Calculates the average wait time in the emergency room. Question 14. What query would help find the total revenue generated from treatments? The correct answer is select sum of cost from treatments. Calculates the total revenue from all treatments. Question 15. How do you query for patients who have a history of heart disease? The correct answer is select star from patients where diagnosis _ code equals IHD. Fetches patients diagnosed with ischemic heart disease. Question 16. What query returns the top 5 departments by number of patients? The correct answer is select department. Count of patient _ id from patients group by department order by count of patient _ id descending limit 5. Lists top 5 departments with the most patients. Question 17. Write a SQL query to identify any missing data in the patient age column. The correct answer is select star from patients where age is null. Finds patients with missing age data. Question 18. How do you join patient data with their insurance information? The correct answer is select page patient _ id. P.name. I. Insurance _ plan from patients P join insurance I on page patient _ id equals I. Patient _ id. Joins patient details with their insurance information. Question 19. What query shows patients who have a scheduled surgery? The correct answer is select star from surgeries where scheduled _ date greater than or equal to cur date. Fetches patients with surgeries scheduled in the future. Question 20. How do you calculate the total hospital stay time for each patient? The correct answer is select patient _ id. Date diff of discharge _ date. Admission _ date from patients. Calculates total stay time for each patient.